first coming together for an event like this. I hope everyone will socialize, eat, drink, and listen to those who sing or recite, dance or chant or whatever they do to make this event worthwhile. So at the end, we all may say we have enjoyed ourselves and it was good to be here. This is our first Jamaican night event. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, enjoy yourself to the max.
So those of you who are on the outside, I'm now inviting you to come on in so that we can get started. Okay, let me welcome all the parents and past students who are with us this afternoon. It's very nice to see a number of you coming out to share with us. We welcome you. All the visiting friends, we have some visiting friends from overseas. They're all past students as well. And we are very, very happy to have you. And we just want to welcome you and hope that you will enjoy this concert as the items are performed. Without any further ado, we have grumbling in between. I'm going to be introducing to you our chairperson for the evening, who will be none other than a past student as well, Miss Kadian Baxter. Please put your hands together.
And welcome to our Jamaican Day concert. Feel welcome. Our first item on the program is from grade 1 and 2.
Jamaican drinks, put all no banana jets. Drink Jamaican food, drink Jamaican drinks, put all no banana jets. So of you the whole culture, Bamali and even Miss Lusa. The road the ackee and the saltfish. Say what? And that we national dish. Say what? Jamaican food, drink Jamaican drinks, put all
following day, I met up with Barry Smith. We both went on a walkabout, meeting and talking with people of the community. We first met up with Miss Edith, a former cook from Cairn Curran School.
Not bad.
The fried dumpling and
just school, eh? Very few of them come back and remind me.
Yeah.
But the dumpling and bulgur.
Yeah, man. It was good.
Still a guard now and they never forgot it. And Miss Dassa got one. Dassa.
Did you try?
How you mean he brown, he slim? Any again, he slim brother. Miss Dassa grandson, man. Any again.
My grandson and my son.
I was Clayton yata.
Clayton.
Gotta be son, man.
How much thing I went with the England yata? And he come here up last year, or year before last year. And Peter, you might know Peter? You know Peter, don't you?
Yeah, man, Peter.
In the school with you?
No, he my young man.
So let me see you to keep then, alright?
So well, so about me a traffic. One.
But you know,
You never worry me. My arthritis. Nothing at the leg. Yeah, man.
At least you're still here.
I get right like who you is there. And she tell me, oh, you say, I know so. So no, because I come up here, I can't really know. And then come and see how.
Oh.
What me not pick up over here?
Who was it yesterday? Who was the girl? Who was the girl?
That Dennis daughter.
Okay.
I think I should come back to you with the soup.
Oh Christ, I went there yesterday. No, them man come kidnap me from Donovan Fontaine, the man take me. Seriously, from the other day, so I come back in. So when you go to the soup again, you do it already, innit? Oh, Jesus.